Imagine a story hidden in locked archives, whispered in classified hearings, and denied in public. For more than 70 years, this is not science fiction. This is the unexplained intersection where intelligence, secrecy, and the unknown collide. To understand the cover-up, you start at the source. The agency in question, the Central Intelligence Agency, better known simply as the CIA. The public obsession began after the incident in 1947, when something crashed in the desert near what is now Roswell, quickly tied to conspiracy and secrecy. While the official explanation became weather balloon. Documents later declassified under the Freedom of Information Act shook public trust, revealing decades of intentional information control regarding unidentified aerial phenomena. But this goes higher, much higher. In the early Cold War, the CIA quietly helped shape how the world viewed UFOs through something called the Robertson Panel. The outcome wasn't just about investigation, it was about influence. The panel recommended that UFO sightings should be publicly minimized, debunked, or redirected through psychological messaging to avoid mass panic. It was the birth of organized narrative control. Then, in the 1960s, the agency monitored and assessed UFO intelligence alongside defense projects linked to the U.S. Air Force, reviewing global aerial encounters not for curiosity, but for threat potential. Files focused on speed, movement patterns, and objects defying known propulsion systems, very similar to modern UAP descriptions. But threats don't always come from Earth. Former intelligence personnel like retired CIA officer John Ramirez have suggested that non-human craft data was siloed into private intelligence compartments, hidden from the public, hidden from Congress, and buried under emergency defense classification. Others allege recovered object programs were redistributed under aerospace defense contractors and deep intelligence divisions. So why would the CIA hide alien evidence? Documentaries, insiders, and historians point to three core motives. 1. Control. If a government admits something smarter, faster, or non-human exists, power shifts overnight. 2. Panic prevention. The CIA believed the public mind was a variable to be managed, not informed. And 3. Technology leverage. Any recovered propulsion system, metal alloy, or energy model could dominate geopolitical warfare without ever firing a shot. And while the CIA denies holding alien craft or bodies, the pattern speaks louder than the press statements. Dismissal, redirection, psychological narrative shaping, strategic influence, and selective disclosure. Mystery Vault isn't saying the truth is confirmed. Mystery Vault is saying the vault still isn't open. Because history doesn't show investigation, it shows management. And if the files finally came out, it wouldn't be a revelation, it would be a reckoning.